Okay, so this is a question which is similar to one of the ones in paper 2. Let's have a read of it to start with. In this sequence, the rule to get the next number is multiply by 3, then add 4. Write in the missing numbers. And we've got 4 numbers. 2 of them are blank and 2 in the middle. And the 2 in the middle are 13 and 43. Okay, so let's have a little think about that. So the rule is multiply by 3, then add 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to check that that is the case, that is working for those numbers where we know what the sequence is. So we've got 13 going up to 43. So to get from 13 to 43, we should be multiplying by 3, then add 4. So let me have a little go at that. So 13 I'm starting with, times by 3. So 13 times 3, 3 tens are 30, and 3 threes are 9. So altogether that's 39. So I've started multiply by 3, then add 4. So I had 39 plus 4 equals 43. Great, that's working so far. So my next question is, which box is going to be the easiest one to work for? And I think the answer for most people would be to have a go at that one, because you're working up, multiplying by 3, then add 4. So I'm going to ask you to pause the video here for a moment. Fantastic. Have a pause and have a go at that yourself. Okay, have you had a go? Hope so. If not, pause it now and go back. If not, let's have a go at doing that next one. So we're going to do the same again. We're going to start with 43. We're going to then multiply that by 3. Now, you might be able to do that in your head, but if you can't, let's have a little column multiplication. 43 times 3 on the side. Starting with the units, 3 times 3 is 9. And then 3 times 4 is 12 in the tens column. So that's 129. So I've done the multiply by 3. 43 times 3 equals 129. And then, have I finished? No, I haven't. I'm going to check. Multiply 3, then add 4. So I need to add 4. So 129 plus 4. And you can count on that in your head if you're not sure. 129, 130, 131, 132, 133. 133. So 129 plus 4 equals 133. So that should be the answer there. Okay, so the next question is, how do I find this first box? What have I got to do? And I'd like you to have a little think about that. So pause the video here while you see if you can work out how to do that, and then we will come back and see whether you agree with me. Okay, so if we're going up the numbers, we're working forwards, multiplying by 3, then adding 4. If we're going down, we need to do the reverse of that. So we ended up by adding 4 here. So what's the opposite of adding 4? Yeah, that's right, it's take away 4. So we're starting with 13, that's the number we're wanting to work from. And we're going backwards, so add 4, take away 4. 13, take away 4 is 9. So we've done the backwards of add 4. We've then got to go backwards from multiply by 3. 9. What's the opposite of multiply by 3 if we're going the other way? Can you work it out? Yep, you're right, it's divide by 3. So I've got to go 9 divided by 3. And that is, how many 3's in 9? If you know your 3 times table, it's nice and straightforward. That's 3. So I think the answer there is 3. How could I check that that is right? How could I check to see if that's right? Pause the video here again and then we'll see if we can work it out. Okay, have you worked it out? To check if we're going from 3 to 13, we just follow the rule. We follow the rule, multiply by 3, then add 4. So 3 times 3 is 9. Oh, yeah, brilliant. 3 times 3 is 9. Then add on 4 to get to 13. So yes, I think that makes sense.